For the longest time, we thought that therapy was one of our biggest limitations. And now in the many steps of the care cascade, which are nicely defined by our clinical guidelines, we recognize that starting treatment to cure is actually a flat line. It really highlighted the fact that all of those other steps to lead to treatment are where the big gaps are right now. And we will never be on target for any of the WHO elimination goals if we don't start to address these other gaps in that care cascade. I think that our first big hurdle is finding our patients. I have been part of a very cohesive cohort of individuals who have been motivated to try to eliminate restrictions. I hope to think that we made some impact on some of the policymakers in Illinois to sway them that this is important and affects more than just a handful of individuals that are IV drug users and incarcerated individuals. And the more that becomes aware, the more you can start to talk about diseases that are transmitted in parallel with addiction, and policymakers start to realize that it's not this group of individuals, but it's actually the people in front of me, the parents of the people that vote for me. And I think that helps us with making change. Most recently, a group of individuals in Illinois that were key stakeholders came together and made a cohesive group that as a unit had very consistent messaging, managed to get some important face time with some of the policymakers, and around that time they lifted restrictions, not just fibrosis, but also alcohol and drug testing. I think that mathematic modeling nicely demonstrates that not achieving the WHO elimination targets means that we will have higher cost in the long run, higher disease morbidity, higher rates of transmission. America is so far behind, but I don't think that means we'll suddenly abandon our quest to eliminate Hep C. We will just have to negotiate a future target, knowing that we missed the one and that missing it doesn't mean that we can't achieve it.